Have you ever wondered how our brain works? It's a complex organ, yet fascinating. In this video, we'll explore the human brain's parts and strokes. The brain has several important parts. First, we have the cerebrum. It's the largest part. It controls thinking, memory, and movement. Next is the cerebellum. It's located at the back. The cerebellum manages balance, coordination, and fine motor skills. Now, let's talk about the brainstem. This controls vital functions. It regulates heartbeat, breathing, and sleep. The cerebrum is divided into lobes. Each lobe has unique functions. The frontal lobe handles reasoning and problem solving. The parietal lobe processes touch and pain. The occipital lobe is responsible for vision. The temporal lobe deals with hearing and memory. Now let's discuss strokes. A stroke occurs when blood flow to the brain is interrupted. There are two main types, ischemic and hemorrhagic. Ischemic strokes happen when blood clots block blood vessels. Hemorrhagic strokes occur when a blood vessel bursts. Both can damage specific brain areas. Symptoms of a stroke vary. If the cerebrum is affected, a person may have trouble speaking. Damage to the cerebellum can cause unsteady movements. If the brainstem is impacted, it can affect breathing. Imagine if someone struggles to walk after a stroke. This might suggest the cerebellum is affected. Similarly, if they can't speak, the cerebrum could be involved. In summary, understanding the brain helps us recognize stroke symptoms. Knowing the parts of the brain is essential for identifying issues. If you found this video helpful, share it with others. Stay informed and take care of your mind.